guys. If you just joined, we are in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we are on the car version of the jet ski. And we are loving every single moment of this. Like, the skies are a little bit gloomy up top, but we are having so much fun. You guys don't need to ask how much fun Oral is having, right? Can you guys just tell?
Let's go. I got some more.
Welcome back to our channel, and if you are new, welcome. Guys, have you ever wondered how parenting can be so amazing? So, I don't know, Oral, tell me about it. Anyways, it can be so exhausting sometimes, and
Not for me.
not for you?
No.
No, it's.
No.
I feel like it's such a rewarding thing, but it can be exhausting for me
Not
sometimes.
for me.
No?
Not for me.
Well, how do you guys
love
feel?
parenting.
We love it. We love it. We do it every day, but I feel like sometimes we need a breather. No, you don't. You never need a breather. I need a breather. I feel a little bit guilty that we're here
No breather.
without them, but I feel like we're gonna get to breathe a little bit.
I'm gonna be missing them every day.
I miss them right now.
Oh, you said it. No, you
No,
said it.
but it is.
Oh,
It is.
I miss
It's
it
so
right now.
rewarding. It's like one of our favorite things to do, but still,
I want to cry now. They're not here.
I get tired
I want to cry.
sometimes.
Look, I'm gonna be crying soon. I'm gonna be crying.
We're definitely gonna miss them. I know I'm gonna be shaking more than you, but at the same time, I feel like this is like, we've never done this before. So this is like a test to see how much we can survive. They're gonna enjoy their time. We're kind of privileged to have someone to, well, I feel privileged right now to have someone to watch them for a long weekend. Yeah.
Could be climbing that tree right there. Look.
Huh?
Could be climbing this tree right here. The easy tree to climb.
Is that beautiful?
Let's go find it and climb
Yes, let's go.
it. Let's go find it and climb it.
Yeah. I climbed a coconut tree once in my life, you know?
Honestly, I don't believe it, but if you say it,
You don't think I could do it?
I
It was a small one.
I don't even remember myself climbing a damn coconut tree.
It's a short little one.
I don't even remember climbing a coconut
It's
tree.
a short little one in my backyard. I made it up halfway and then I came back right down. But anyways, looking forward.
Oh, you should be in a catamaran right here.
Yeah, man. How am I supposed to take my bags up here?
You could take them bed if you want. Oh, look at that. It's full.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a long walk too.
Oh.
This is a long walk. Look, somebody lives there.
Yeah. I don't often. By the way, we're in Montego Bay. I don't often come to Montego Bay.
Look, welcome to Montego Bay.
Welcome to Montego Bay. Justice true to yours forever, Jamaica Montego. Yeah, I'm not often in Montego Bay. Guys, so Oral is getting a rent-a-car as usual. Every time we travel, he has to get a rent-a-car for 4 days and still. So he's at Budget Rent-a-Car. And I'm just waiting as usual, looking around. This is the VIP lounge in Montego Bay. Yeah.
So guys, look, Stacey and first time in Montego Bay
No,
together.
it's not.
No,
Oh, together. Sorry.
Together.
Okay,
Together.
darling. Okay.
Together.
Yes.
It's first time in Montego Bay. But I've been to Montego Bay several times. I was in Montego Bay this year.
This time you're with me.
I was in Montego Bay this year.
You have me all to yourself, okay?
Oh, okay.
That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay. So now we're waiting on the shuttle bus to take us to the rental car. And that's the airport back here. And we're waiting on the shuttle bus. So we are taking budget.
Probably too far. Sangsters International.
Oh, Sangsters over there. We're taking a shuttle bus like in Kingston. When you get a rental car in Kingston, the cars are right here.
Yeah.
But for Sangsters, you take a shuttle bus to the rental car terminal and then you proceed. So now we're waiting on the rental car. And because I'm a frequent renter, they give me an upgrade.
Oh, what did you get?
I don't know.
You know, it's
I don't know.
it's
Let
a
me
secret
see.
upgrade.
And they say it's a brand new car.
Let's hope it's a real upgrade.
It's a Suzuki. I don't know.
You see, you're just looking now.
It's a Suzuki.
I can't imagine what upgrade. But let's see.
Well, they say it's an
A
upgrade.
nice car.
I ran for them twice this year already. They was like, oh, I'm gonna give you an upgrade. I was like,
That's who we rent from last time.
yeah. I ran from them the other
In
day.
Jamaica when you came the other day.
No, I ran from them in didn't I use them
That's
in
in Colombia? That's what we use?
no, we use
right?
no, in Colombia we use Eurocar.
Okay.
And I think in Africa we use I think we use them in Africa, I think. The other day, yeah.
Maybe
I think, yeah.
I can't keep track.
Yeah, I think that's what they did.
I know.
And I don't remember when I came here what I used. I really don't remember. Sometimes I just go for the best price.
Yeah.
I used to do the loyalty thing, like the loyalty program thing, but I just normally just go for the best price now.
So wait, so you like this glasses? Or not really?
Let me see.
What do you guys think?
It's growing on me, huh? Oh, let me watch it a little more.
You need to watch it a little bit more for
Yeah.
your critique. Okay.
Yeah, you look like a swimming goggles, like what?
All right. Well, it may grow on me. I have some other pairs.
We go rafting today. If you jump off and swim in it, then I'll be like, okay. We're going rafting today.
I don't promise you that I'm gonna jump off of anything to swim.
We're gonna go rafting today, and let's see if Stacey is gonna jump off. Because it's early in the morning. We get to Jamaica early. It's like 9 o'clock, so
Not jumping off.
we have the
of
entire day. So we're gonna do some stuff. We're gonna see what Stacey is gonna do.
I have a secret about jumping in the water.
We're gonna go to the Montego Bay. We're gonna jump off. We're gonna see if Stacey is gonna jump off as well. You're gonna jump off? So why going on the raft then? You know what? Even see those.
We've been on raft. Didn't we go rafting on the Rio Grande?
Yeah, we go rafting before.
Yeah.
Yes. But what I'm saying is
Well, I'm
that.
not gonna jump off nothing. You crazy?
What I'm saying, they're gonna have some guys that I can see this picture on Instagram where
Oh, like you could
they're
go
massaging the guy.
snort.
No, they're massaging you.
Oh.
Like you see a lot of the guys in the raft, they're doing all the massaging and all that kind of stuff. You want that?
You can give me a massage.
No.
And I get a massage when I go to get a massage. I don't want no
But you don't want that kind of
random
massage.
strangers. No.
Okay, I'm just checking because I don't want to be there and surprised when you're there and see you get it.
What?
No, I just want to make
What
sure.
is he talking about, guys? Tell me.
No, because I see it. Okay, I'll find a clip
I've
of it.
never really. Oh, you know what? I'm lying. I did see that. Yes, like when people. Yes,
Yeah, they do,
yes,
yeah.
I've seen that.
Yeah, so I want to know if you want that before I get
No,
there.
I'll wait for it.
Okay. All right. You want to call Setai to see what they're doing?
They're probably sleeping.
We're gonna
I'm
call the kids to
waiting.
see what they're doing. It's 10 o'clock.
I'm waiting. Yeah, but remember, Sitar went in bed. Lady was staying up the whole time.
Yeah.
So I'm timing.
It's very warm here too.
Yeah, I had to take off my little.
It's very
my little
warm.
Keep me warm on the plane. Now it's too warm, so I have to
And
take
that's the
it off.
hill of Montego Bay, up in the hills, Montego Bay, right here. And the hotel this is not far from downtown Montego Bay, by the way. It's probably 15 minutes away from downtown, but then we staying at the Half Moon, so I don't know the exact
Yeah, I have no
thing
idea.
from Half Moon from here. But yeah, so this is Montego Bay, and we're gonna be here for more than a couple of days, and we're gonna try and do some stuff. Most of the stuff that we have planned is for night though, so I don't know how much we can film that. But most of it is party at night, right, Stacey? Because most of the time we travel, we cannot do anything at night because we have a 6-year-old and a 2-year-old and a 16-year-old. So most of the time traveling with us. The 18-year-old don't want to travel, and the 19-year-old
They
don't want to travel
with us. They're 20 now. They're 19.
They're 20, don't want to travel. So when
they've outgrown us.
So when we travel with Logan, and we're like, okay, can we leave the kids with Logan? We're scared to do it. So we don't go out. Only daytime adventures. But now we could go out in the nighttime.
I think this will be a good time for us to reflect. Enjoy each other, right? Because it's gonna be for only a few days. I'm like shaking, but I'm like, yeah, we'll get to be a little bit more spontaneous, right?
No, man, I like.
And reflect on what it was like before these kids.
No, I like when I have the kids around.
Oh.
You know,
I love having the kids around, but we could never be as focused as we are now, like just chatting. We'd be like, Satai, Ramses, hold on, Ramses. Ramses, you're hot. Do you want some water, Ramses?
Yeah, but no.
Satai, stop running. We constantly doing that.
But now they have to be doing it at home. Your dad have to be doing it at home.
I know.
I know they'll have to be like ready to run. Like my niece and my father-in-law is taking care of them.
We have 2 babysitters.
We got 2 babysitters. 2.
We're not chancing one person to take care of those.
Yes, our dad is taking
2
care
boys.
of them. And my niece is taking care of them as well.
And we're so grateful that we have them. So we can do this, hang out with each other for a little bit, right? We're gonna go back so refreshed and ready for
you know what? The thing is that I know hanging out with them, with all of us 5, like 2 weeks ago, 5 of us were in Colombia, and so now I'm gonna judge my mood with only 2 of us versus 5 of us. Yes. 5 of us in Colombia. So if
it will be different. But it will be different for sure.
If in the vlog you see me looking all happy, that means it's better. You know, up here, you know, that means better. Because it could be worse hanging out with you by yourself without the kids, you know. We probably have too much time. We don't know what to do with it.
I know, right?
Yeah. So.
But I think we're good with spending time with each other, though. Like, you know, when it was COVID and the kids, well, we had the kids too.
Exactly.
What I'm about to say. We were all spending time together. Okay, all right, let's forget it. I don't know.
This shuttle is taking a mighty long time.
This is probably a test of our relationship. Will our relationship withstand the 4 days alone?
Without the kids. I say
4 days
no.
without the kids.
I say no. I say no.
Is that it?
No, you should say budget. Yeah, right here. Oh, a shuttle has arrived. Oh, a shuttle has arrived. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
It's only 2 of us and we have 4 suitcases. Crazy.
That's
Wait, so we're gonna put it in?
That's on you. I don't know. Everything can go.
I'm gonna lay this down.
We have to. I'm not even gonna say anything.
It's shuttle.
Come on in and sit beside me.
It's taking shuttle down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
I like to put her in the car actually in the terminal.
Well, this goes to show. Sometimes you have to take the bus. You live in New York, you need to learn to take the bus sometimes, okay? Okay, darling. I love Montego Bay.
Development work out here.
We have arrived at Half Moon. We're here at our hotel. Yes. Isn't it already just so beautiful? Look at the palm trees. Am I really in Jamaica? I've never been to this hotel before, by the way. Am I really in beautiful Jamaica? Look at these palm trees. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oh, I need one of those flowers from right here. Oh. How do we get in? Oh, security's coming. Why do I have mine?
How you doing? Oh, and I have a reservation here. Name is Benton.
How are you? Good. Yes.
Yeah. Oral, O-R-A-L. Correct.
Founders Cove.
It's best to take out the window.
All right, yeah. Thank you.
First, right here.
Right here?
Third sleeping police.
Okay.
Car park.
Okay.
Car park.
Okay. First, make a right.
First, right here. Third sleeping police.
Okay.
See, that will eventually see car park.
Okay. Okay.
Turn right car park.
I'll leave a car there, obviously.
You have luggage?
Yeah.
So you're going to check the car park. You're up. Then you're going to lift and go to the lobby.
Okay. So we just pulled up at the Off Moon and we're gonna go check in. We're a little bit early, so I don't know if they're gonna give us an early check-in. But this is a bus that we should go on to the river, but I might just drive my drive. Because I like the flexibility of driving, so we can stop and do whatever we want. So this is us pulling up to reception.
Yes. We go get that. Yeah. Can get someone to
Let's see. Good afternoon. I'm good. So we all checked. Oh, we haven't checked in yet. We're waiting on the room. And this is the beach. What the beach looks like from here. But we have a change of plan. Instead of going on the Montego Bay for rafting, I think they're gonna go to 876 Beach because the river condition is bad at Montego Bay, so they don't want to do that. So we're gonna go to the beach instead. But they're taking a couple of buses, the group, because we are some people, and we're gonna drive because they said they have an appointment now, and we're not gonna cut that just to go on the bus. So we'll get there on our own time. And so that's the hotel here. That's the lobby. Restaurant over here. But I'll give a better tour later today.
We are finally in our room. And we have a beach view room. And up and entering, we're on the what? Second floor?
Second floor, yeah.
Yes.
I don't know. See, they say it's an upgrade. We got an upgrade.
We're always getting upgrades.
Upgrade, I know. So
but this looks fabulous.
this
So
look like
let's see. They look like a real upgrade.
We don't know what the other rooms
Alright,
look
so
like.
put enter in. We have this little light.
Yeah, a little chandelier
We have
light
this
here.
little painting. This is not painting, right? That the kids would just love. The kids would just love these. And then on our right, we have a painting. And then we have this.
It's a jacuzzi tub.
Yeah. I'm loving it.
It's a jacuzzi tub.
Alright, we can. Alright. Alright, nice.
Oh.
Nice. Beautiful bathroom. Let me give Oral some privacy.
Yeah, that's right. That is right.
We have a nice. This is a lovely bathroom. I love it already. And then to our left, okay, we have a double sink, yes. And we have a closet.
You gotta say.
We can put our passports here. Oh, we have two umbrellas.
We
Look
have
at
robes
that.
and slippers. Two umbrellas.
We have robes.
You got bathroom.
Bathroom. With iron and ironing board. And then we have this mirror here so I can look at my fabulous self. Don't I look fabulous, babe?
Maybe.
Okay, all right. And then up and entering, this is our bedroom.
They said they gave us a king size bed, so
Yeah.
I guess this is an upgrade.
I love this little fruit basket painting.
And look, we literally a lot of stuff on the table already.
Yeah.
Phone, watch,
Oh, look at this.
everything.
I'm really loving the room though.
No, we put stuff on. They make it a little
smaller.
smaller.
And then, so we just have our bags. Look, they didn't just leave our suitcases. They came and they put it on little stands.
Now, ta-da!
And we have like a little desk area where the curtain is matching the chair seat. Look at that. How fabulous is that? We have a TV. We have a refrigerator in here. They gave us complimentary water, and this is just our drink from the plane. We didn't drink them, so we'll have them when we get thirsty. That's my little chips from the plane too. We can make coffee. We have glasses. I guess we can have a drink of wine inside.
I know, ta-da!
And now, wow! Look at this. Sit down, baby. Show them.
Oh,
How fabulous is this life?
this is nice.
We could order in and have breakfast right there, right? Or we can just sit on the beach.
This is the ocean view, but
Yes. But what?
that's like an almond tree.
Yes. But it's still, we can see everything. Ocean view.
Ocean view.
And we have
The coconut tree over there. You could, okay. Stacey, you say you could climb. Can you climb the coconut tree then?
Are you crazy?
Well, you
The
said-
coconut tree that I climbed was maybe less than a third of this. It was in our backyard, and you can't climb that.
A lot of coconut is on the tree.
Yeah.
And we have
How
a little.
about you? Do you think you can climb it and pick one for me?
I never say I could climb.
I'm just asking you, okay? That would be nice.
And look
Get some coconut.
and look the courtyard, a little courtyard right here.
Yeah.
We have the beach right here, a lifeguard.
I must say I love it.
This is nice.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Alright.
So, on our right up there, there's like a bar and a restaurant that we can eat. And then, oops, I hope we didn't lock ourselves out. The wind just closed the door. Let's see. Okay, good. Anyways, we can walk by the beach to get to the restaurant. All right, so
This looks like a little one-bedroom cottage,
yeah, it does.
like a studio kind of thing.
Yeah,
You could have this, so you could just put like a little kitchen and it's like a studio
yeah.
apartment.
It's beautiful though, right?
Yeah, you could
I
check
love
that
it. I love how colorful matching everything is.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful room. So far, so good.
So now we're on our way to another beach. They're gonna run a boat because we're here for a party, all
Yes.
weekend party, a birthday
And tell
party.
them what run a boat mean for those who are not Jamaican.
So run a boat in Jamaica means you're gonna cook on the cookout.
Cook out. You're not
Cook
cooking
out,
in
not
your
cooking
kitchen.
in
You're
the
cooking
kitchen
outside,
you're gonna cook
outdoors. I wonder if they're gonna cook on,
Originally,
like, wood,
it was
wood-
supposed to be
wood
at the
fire.
Montego Bay river rafting and cooking out, but I think the condition on the river is too rough and dirty because it rained recently, and so now they changed it. We're gonna go to 876 Beach, even though we have beach here, but I guess you can't cook on this beach.
Maybe not.
So we're gonna go to that place and
We're gonna
spend the day
enjoy
at the
the
beach.
cookout.
So that we're gonna enjoy the cookout and drink some rum punch.
Yes.
So everybody is gone. They take the bus, but we like to drive. Like to do our
Oh,
own
you
thing.
like to drive.
We like to do our own thing, so we're gonna do it.
You love to drive. We're on our way to the beach and Oro left his goggles, so we're unable to ride. We're unable to drive to our room, so Oro took a bike. Check him out. Check him out. You got your goggles?
Yeah.
All right, all right.
They're cooking, but we need to go get something to eat, so we stop on this roadside now. Stacey, I'm gonna find something. They're gonna find
we have no
Stacey.
idea what's there. Just hoping to grab
We have
like,
no
something
idea.
quick.
It's like seafood.
I don't know.
Okay. So you
Grab
could get a
something
soup.
quick and then head to the
You could get a
cookout.
soup or a fried fish.
We did before the cookout.
Yeah.
But we didn't eat all morning, so
You could get fried fish.
hence.
Stacey, I'm gonna get fried fish.
Yeah. Oh, that looks like
Yeah, it was just soup. Police officer, this is soup.
I'm hungry.
It's kind of wrong though.
Kind of warm? It's not kind of warm. It's hot.
Why don't you move to Jamaica and become a police officer? Huh?
It's going to take a lot more training for me to move to Jamaica and become a police officer.
I don't know, you could try. Yeah.
It's going to take a lot of time. I'm not going back to school.
They said he was going to move to Jamaica and become a police officer.
Because you see police officer, you're saying that. No.
Why can't you do that? Christmas festival. Gotta get Christmas festival. Alright, I'll take the fish.
What kind of soup you have?
Fish soup.
I'll take the
I'll
fish.
take a cup of soup and one fish.
Okay.
Throw it in. Throw it in. Sure about soup.
Right in front of me.
Yeah, I'll take the fish. Yeah. Oh, you got parrot, right?
Yeah.
Parrot and what else?
Parrot.
What? That's
Look like kingfish.
Kingfish.
I'll take one slice of parrot, one slice of kingfish, and I'll take a parrot too. So sweet. You want fish too? Huh? All right, that's cool.
I want a soup. I want a soup.
Okay.
You want festival too?
Lead out. I was trying to sing to you, but that's why I swallowed up. The part that gone on me.
Okay. Alright. We're gonna come back then because somebody will come.
Alright, so
What for this?
12.50.
Okay. This is just cool.
What do you say?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Doesn't matter how many man.
Good.
Don't look for the recipe. I'm going to go on recipe. Hey, Scotty.
So what's the place? What's this place here, Scotty?
Turkan Scotty seafood inside here.
So we have
We have the sign. We have the seafood frying going on. Curry pound and all these things, you know?
Curry Kong?
Yeah.
And where is this we're at now?
Right at the border between St. James and Chillon.
Alright.
just like what Scotty said, so we're at the border between St. James and Trelawney.
Yes.
We're going to 876 Beach and we stopped to buy fish. It's very good.
And soup.
And soup.
Yeah.
So we gotta come back because we're rushing, so we can't wait and eat much more food.
We're going to a cookout. We're literally going to a cookout.
Yeah.
Alright, then, Pan, let's go.
Take your wife, yeah? Remember, that's all I'm wearing.
You hear that?
That's all I'm wearing for me, is take your wife.
You hear that? If you do nothing else for him, take care of wife. That's funny.
That's all we do, so you see the sun on it. When we get to the cookout, food is
got breadfruit over there.
Yeah.
I got
Breadfruit, turkey, and saltfish. I think I heard there's maybe chicken.
They got chicken back.
Chicken back, yeah.
Chicken back.
Yeah.
You got chicken back. I'll get the breadfruit.
I think they have like mackerel.
Okay. Mackerel and breadfruit?
Mackerel.
Yeah, I'll see. I'll take a plate. There's ackee dumpling. Roasted fruit.
It's probably too noisy. It's probably too noisy. So I have curry chicken back, ackee saltfish, avocado, dumpling, and breadfruit. I have a whole bunch of stuff in my plate. Oh my god, it's so yummy. And look, for those who know, sugar and water with brown sugar. We're always having dumpling and roast breadfruit. It's good, right? Right on the beach. But that's got 867 each.
Get up. It's hard, right? Yeah. Oh, somebody just broke it off though. All right. Oh, it's still dry. There we go. It's nice. So strange he's not gonna come in, I don't know. But this is good. Climb up the slide. Slide down. It is cool. I'm gonna try the one next. I did this one. I'm gonna try this one.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I could get to this one.
That's it. That's
Oh, it's good, right? I'm gonna try this one. Right now. Hey, climb right here. No, climb there. It's easier. Climb right there. It's easier there. Slide it up.
Yeah.
Try to go to the top and lay on the top.
I'm trying.
see if you can lay on the top. Yeah.
It's windy.
Nice. You got it?
Yes.
So go and slide on the other side.
It's like a slide, just to jump.
Oh, you have to jump off?
Yeah, it's like a slide.
Okay. You can stand up? Oh. So what's your name again?
My name is Genesis on TikTok.
Okay. And you did the bike just now?
Yeah.
And you get free, they didn't want to go that far? Huh?
But he was riding fast.
But he was riding really fast?
Yeah.
You got time to slow down. We're gonna do the car. So you gotta watch, okay? You gotta watch and see what we do. And when we come back, we'll tell you if it's good or not, okay? Alright, we're waiting for those girls to come back.
I can't wait, but
Oh, they're right here. Oh, she's right here. So we're gonna be in this car. So I'm gonna go first. I know where the boundary is, and then gonna come and pick up Stacy and.
Ride the bike, I'm gonna take him off my motor, man. The bike, they have a reverse line, so you can man over the one easy.
You gonna show me the boundary?
Yeah, man.
Alright, cool.
You ready?
Yeah, man.
What's your name?
Oral.
Oral Tracy.
That's it. That is it. Jump in.
Yeah, man, I'm up, man.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Abby!
Oh my God, I'm about to go in this car. Oh my God.
Alright, jump in. Money a burn.
Alright, let's jump in.
He's gonna show you where to put your foot.
All this.
Alright, you go up stylish, go.
Almost like I'm used to this, right? My seatbelt. Guys, we are in the middle of the ocean. Someone car was right or something. Like it's coming towards us. Let me put this on my hand so you don't see I'm gonna lose the GoPro. But guys, look, we are in the middle of the ocean. Oral is driving once more. He doesn't just drive on land, he drives on sea also. Oh my God. This is some cool shit. But anyways, let's see what's going on out there. This is what our car looks like. Can you see it? The killer would love this car. It's purple. Got it for a minute, right? Yeah. I think there's like an orange thing. We don't shouldn't pass the orange thing. Let's turn.
Yeah.
You wanna go that way? Yeah. That way. This way. This way.
Where did it go?
You go by itself? I just don't want you to pass the parameters. Guys, look how far we are from land. Why is it? I can't see nothing. There's no windshield wiper.
Oh my God. It's killing the ball.
There's no windshield wiper.
So that's a Uber right here. You can't pass it.
You need to turn. You need to turn around.
Can you stop? Can you stop? I'm gonna fucking drop you off with him.
You're gonna drop me off? Yes. If you drop me off, then you can't come back out here. Oh my God! This is wild, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. This is wild. So we are basically, again, in the middle of the ocean, and that's the sky. was driving too fast, and now I can't see anything. Girl, slow down.
It's not that fast.
Before you let me lose my lashes. See, I'm telling you that the salt.
You can't manage water sports.
No, I'm good with it. I just like. If I can't see, I can't have as much fun. So let me dry my eyes. You're having too much fun, okay? I used to dry my eyes still. See, every time you turn this way. Yes. I'm literally hiding, guys, because my eyes are so
So bend
teary.
under this. Go under that then. Go under
I just need to dry my eyes and then I can put my shades on.
Go under the go under the
Alright, let me put my shades on. Okay, this is a little bit better for me. My hair is all wet. Listen, you focus on the driving. As you hear that revving, it's oral revving away. You see? Don't have to be hiding. Look at the water. Look at those guys over there. Wow. You see, it'll be harder for me on the jet ski because I would need a goggles.
coming right there.
Yeah? We gotta look out for them because sometimes they're not looking and I don't want any collision. You were sliding down that, right?
I'll make it small.
You're making small turns because of me? Do your thing, do your thing. Oh my freaking God! You are too wild and crazy, okay? This is not why I marry you. You are too crazy. I marry the calmer you, okay? See, even the GoPro is like, oh. I'm telling you, there's something about this direction. Jesus Christ. So guys, we are in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we are on the, well, it's not a jet ski, but it's the car version of a jet ski, and Oral is jetting away. Oh my gosh, this is really, really excited, and the adrenaline is just too much for my purpose. Oh my God, I'm like, I don't know, but this is not why I marry you, so. I love the adventure too, but this is just to another level. Look at him. Just having way too much fun. Way too much fun, Oral. Oh, way too much fun. Woohoo! Setai's missing this. Setai would love this. Oh my gosh. Setai, I'm sorry you didn't get to come on this because I know you don't need to ask how much fun Oral is having, right? Can you guys just tell? Wait, what is it? Why is it foggy enough?
Yeah, no problem.
So, yes, yes, and yes. It's a beautiful, beautiful day in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And Oral is running the hell away. We are in the middle of the ocean and this is so much fun. I don't think our time is up yet, right? The buoy? I don't see it, but I think we probably should turn back. So guys, there are a couple of buoys in the water that tell us again this way. Anytime we're in this direction, I can't do it. So it's supposed to tell us where we're supposed to turn. We have limits of how far out we can go. But the freaking honest truth is sometimes I don't even see them. I just trust that. They tell us they'll come out and get us, and they'll signal us when it's time, but just in case we're not looking, they'll have someone come out to meet us because we're basically not timing ourselves. Well, actually, I can see the time on the GoPro now, so we can work with that timing, but other than that, we're just hanging out, having so much fun, and I'm about to tell Oral to slow down because he has passenger. This is not just him, he has passenger. And we still have to go home to our kids. I know Setai would love this though. It's only 2 seat though, so it couldn't be all of us. Only 2 people can ride at a time, but oh boy, he would be loving this. So guys, I do recommend it though. If you are in, I don't know where else they do this, but if you are in Montego Bay, Jamaica, what is beach called? 876 Beach. We're at 876 Beach, and yeah, we're just simply loving this time. Can we go around this area? We have to drive in this deeper area. Okay. Oh, they do parasailing too. Look at that boat for parasailing. I did parasailing once in I think DR. I don't know. Oral said he wouldn't do parasailing, but he's doing this, so I don't know. Again, I think you should slow down. Look at this. Oh my gosh. My fear is that you'll freaking fall off. Oh, so you guys see the orange thing in the you see the orange ball? Buoy. So that's a sign that we need to turn around. Oh, you can turn around it? You can go around it? Okay. See? It says number 3. So we need to get back over there, right?
No, we could. You can't pass that. You can go to the...
Oh, we can't go past it, but we can turn around
Right,
here.
you can go inside there.
Oh, I see. So they brought Oral out before I came so they could explain to him exactly the perimeters, where he can drive, where he can't drive, and such, just for safety purposes. And before we got on here, we had to sign, I guess it's a release. yourself after. No, but the people in charge assured me that if it's kind of hard for you to fall out the car still. My thing was like, what if I fall out? And they're like, they watch us so they would come out and get us. And of course, I'm wearing my life vest. I wouldn't come out here without it though. I would not come out into the water without my life vest. So at least I'm being somewhat cautious. So look at them, look at that. Wow. So Oral, from on a score of 1 to 10, how much do you rate this little adventure?
It's good. I think it's a 10.
10 out of 10.
I've been on the water before on a bike.
Yeah.
And that was okay, but be the fishes.
Yeah.
But this is good too.
Yeah. Guys, look at the sky. They're probably waving at us because it's time. I'm pretty sure time has passed, so we're gonna try to head back that way. If not, they'll come and get us, but we're gonna head back that way. Again, this is a beautiful adventure. I do recommend it. It's bonding time for me and my boo. I just love you so much. This is our first date together. This is the date you take me on. Our first date. This is a wild date for a first date. This is a wild first date. Alright, we're heading back now. Where's the We're gonna go back now? But I can't see. The truth is I can't see out there. It's 25 minutes on the GoPro now. Yeah, it's time. Let's just head back. They told me they would come and get us, or if they can wave at us, but I can't see out there. I can't see so far out. So I think we should just head back. I love the adventure, but it's time. All good things must come to an end. Time to go back to land. I love sea, but not that much. Alright, where is the huh? We're going back in. And they're waiting. I don't see nobody waiting. How far we need to go? Here? Where are they? I don't see them. Oh, I see them right there, so yeah. So they're coming to meet us right there. This was so much fun. Switch it off. Oh my god! We made it back! We made it back in one piece! Well, in two pieces. One piece here, one piece there. You deserve a big kiss. Come. Oh, I'm not gonna get a lift out. They're actually pulling it out, so no such luck for me to get world's But this was so much fun, guys! A fabulous first date, by the way. Oh, can you record so we can see them? Just for 1 minute so we can see the actual car? Can I stand in it?
Thank
Take your time. Take your time if you coming out.
Yeah? Where's that?
No, when you coming out, take your time.
For the fiberglass, yeah.
Yeah. Chin, how go on? How good? You ready to go up? Alright, I pull up them. I pull them up. Me ready to, man? Yeah. Hold the there. Yeah.
This is too much fun, okay?
No worry, man.
Way too much fun.
No worry, man. You have to have fun, you know.
Yes.
Take your time. No, sit there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, this is a good time.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
No, stay away. Watch yourself, you know.
We did it! Okay, so that's where we're coming from, okay? I'm so proud of my husband. He took me out into the deep into the ocean and brought me back in one piece. I just want to say I'm so proud of you.
Oh, that's it. Oh, that's here. Yeah, go home now. I've already my gal over there, so.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit down your
That's
trip.
enough